Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, God bless you. Happy birthday to you.
Everybody wants what they want to be wanted. Everybody needs what they need to be needed. Everybody loves to be loved. Love somebody, somebody gonna love the love you give. Look around you, what do you see? A world full of people trying to be free, looking for meaning, so hard to see. Everybody wants what they want to be wanted. Everybody needs what they need to be needed. Everybody loves to be loved. Love somebody, somebody gonna love the love you give. Everybody wants what they want to be wanted. Everybody needs what they need to be needed. Everybody loves to be loved. Love somebody, somebody gonna love the love you give. Listening to your heart, what do you hear? It's love that's calling you, drawing you near, opening up your mind, banishing fear. Everybody wants what they want to be wanted. Everybody needs what they need to be needed. Everybody loves to be loved. Love somebody, somebody gonna love the love you give. Love yourself, love all life, love the darkness, the light, love the good and the bad. Love someone who never has. Love for love's sake, no matter what it takes. When it's love you make, you got to give it away. Give it away. Give it away. Give it away. Everybody wants what they want to be wanted. Everybody needs what they need to be needed. Everybody loves to be loved. Love somebody, somebody gonna love the love you give. You got to give it away. Everybody wants what they want to be wanted. Everybody needs what they need to be needed. Everybody loves to be loved. Love somebody, somebody gonna love the love you give. Somebody gonna love the love
All
you
I
give.
stood to lose,
Somebody
and
gonna
yet
love the
my
love
sin
you give.
remained. This sorrow born of my pain kept my heart from turning back to him again. Now my sorrow is for the sin that gives offense to God and stains my soul within. This sorrow of godly pain hopes I never give offense to him again. Sorrow for my sin brings my soul such pain, yet this pain I know can lead my soul back to him again. Godly sorrow became the start of the path that led to a mighty change of heart. This sorrow out of love helps me find the way back to his home above. Sorrow for my sin brings my soul such pain, yet this pain I know